Ready to turn that One4All gift card into some sweet PS5 gaming goodness? Let's unlock the digital treasures. First things first, power up your PS5 and navigate to the PlayStation Store. It's the one with the PlayStation logo, usually found on the main screen. Next, in PlayStation Store, navigate to the upper right corner. You should be able to see your avatar. Next to your avatar, there are 3 dots. Click on it. After pressing the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Press the Redeem Code button. Now, grab your One4All gift card. Gently scratch off the silver panel on the back to reveal the card number and the CVV code. Using your PS5 controller, carefully enter the gift card number exactly as it appears on the card, including any hyphens. Double check to make sure you haven't made any typos, because this is very important. Once you've successfully redeemed the code, the funds from your One4All gift card will be added to your PlayStation wallet. With your wallet loaded, you're now ready to purchase your favorite games, DLC, or PlayStation Plus subscriptions directly from the PlayStation Store. Happy gaming!